morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well today. Thanks for coming by for another lesson, working with some of the same chords we've been learning. So this first one is a song that was going back in the time machine, back to the 1970s, a real pretty song called Suavecito. And of course, now this is kind of my simple rendition of it, but it teaches you a couple new chords. The first chord we're coming to is going to be the C add 9. Let's jump right into that. The C add 9 chord, again, is a really nice chord. You're going to start with your second finger is going to be on your 5th string, 3rd fret, and then your first finger is going to be on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your third finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then your pinky is going to go on the 1st string, 3rd fret. This is real similar to the G chord. Okay, and I think, I'm not sure the sequence of the videos, but we may have already covered the G. If not, for now we're just going to do the C add 9. Real modern sounding chord. Okay. And what we're going to do next is you're going to, once you have that down, you're going to take fingers 1 and 2 and you're going to hop them down a string. So now your second finger is going to be on the 4th string, 3rd fret. Your first finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So that's how it goes, and it's 1 measure per chord, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or the way you could strum it would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 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 and this is kind of the tempo it goes. So we've got the C add 9. This next chord, I should tell you what that is. It's an F6 add 9 or F6 9. And as we get into more theory, I'll explain to you how these chords come about. And I haven't listened to the actual recording in a long time. I'm not sure if these are the exact chords, but it doesn't matter. It sounds great like this. It's really fun to play. And if you have like 2 guitars, I like to play like a C major 7th against this C add 9. And I don't know why, it just sounds really cool. I like to do this when I'm playing with my students. So if you have another guitar player, one can be doing this while one is doing. And I really don't even know musically why that sounds good. Maybe I should look at it a little bit closer. But it's just something I started doing one day and thought, hey, that's pretty cool. So that's about it on that song. Just keep it simple, and I'll have the lyrics for you, and you probably want to go listen to it. And of course, this is the easy version. I think towards the end of the song, they go into some part that gets It's actually nice, but it gets pretty complicated. I remember when I did this a long time ago, it took me a while to figure out the chords to it. But if you just want something really simple to play, this is a great one, and it gives you tons of practice on the C add 9. Now, I haven't really used this F6 add 9 that much, but it's probably something good to have in your bag of tricks. And, we've got another easy one coming up next, so hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great day.